In this video, I'll show you how to go from this to this in 6 simple steps and without using expensive tools and finicky processes. Removing scratches and paint transfer is something you can do at home. I will show you how to get great results without using any power tools. All the details and the stuff you will need are in the description. Step 1. Start by washing the paint. Put high pressure on the damaged area. The goal is to remove as much paint transfer as possible. And look at that, the yellow scratch is coming right off. After washing, rinse the panel with water. Next, dry the panel and inspect the paint. We already see an improvement. A big part of the paint transfer has already been removed. Step 2. Clay the affected area. Wet the damaged area and your clay paddy with the car wash soap and work the clay over the surface of the paint. The goal here is to decontaminate the panel and remove even more leftover paint transfer before we start polishing. After claying, rinse with water and dry the panel. Step 3. Take the heaviest compound and the polishing pad. In a crosshatch pattern, work the compound over the affected area. After polishing for a couple of minutes, remove the excess polish with a microfiber towel. Check your results and apply again if necessary. In my case, I'm hitting the panel a second time. As you can see, the smaller scratches are coming out. Scratches you can feel with your fingernail cannot be removed by hand and need wet sanding or machine polishing. I'm hitting the panel one last time with a heavy compound to further blend in the deeper scratches. You can still see the faint outline of the deeper scratches. These will be further refined in the next polishing steps. Step 4. Time to refine the scratches even further. Take your medium compound and work it into the panel with a fresh side of the polishing pad. Wipe away the excess polish with a microfiber towel. After repeating this step 3 times, this is what I ended up with. A big improvement, if you ask me. Step 5. Take your polishing compound and polish one last time to add gloss to the panel. Step 6. After polishing, it is time to seal and protect the paint. Take your favorite wax and apply it to the panel to protect and seal the paint. At last, buff to a high shine with a fresh microfiber towel. And that's it. Look at that improvement. Great, you can only see the faint scratches in the right lining. While standing a feet away from the car, you won't even notice them. And remember, these are the results you can get at home without using expensive power tools and by polishing by hand. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one.